Škoda KAMIQ is a subcompact crossover SUV introduced by the Czech automobile manufacturer Škoda Auto, a subsidiary of the Volkswagen Group. Making its debut at the Geneva Motor Show, the KAMIQ joined Škoda's lineup as the smallest SUV, alongside its larger siblings, the Karoq and Kodiaq. Built on Volkswagen Group's MQB platform, it shares its underpinnings with other vehicles like the Volkswagen T-Cross and the Arona. The vehicle's design takes cues from the distinct Škoda design language, combining sleek lines with a robust and elevated stance. Its prominent front grille, angular headlights, and well-sculpted body give it an assertive and modern look. The interior is thoughtfully laid out, and the brand has given particular attention to spaciousness, quality materials, and practicality, which are often hallmark attributes of Škoda vehicles. One of the most appealing aspects of this SUV is its cutting-edge technology features. The interior boasts a modern infotainment system with options for a large touchscreen display and seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a host of safety and driver assistance systems, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and autonomous emergency braking. Under the hood, customers can choose from a range of engines. Petrol options include 3-cylinder 1-liter TSI and 4-cylinder 1.5-liter TSI engines. Diesel lovers can opt for a 1.6-liter TDI. Additionally, the compact SUV offers a compressed natural gas option for eco-conscious consumers. The drive is transmitted via a manual transmission or a 7-speed DSG automatic, depending on the engine configuration chosen. Another strong point of this compact crossover is its versatility and practicality. With a spacious cabin and ample cargo space, it serves as an ideal option for families. Furthermore, the elevated ride height and clever storage solutions make it not only comfortable for long journeys, but also practical for everyday city driving. The KAMIQ is a noteworthy addition to Škoda's lineup of SUVs. It has managed to carve a niche for itself in the highly competitive compact SUV segment, with its combination of contemporary design, advanced technology, versatile engine options, and practical features. The vehicle offers a well-rounded package for those looking for a blend of style, comfort, and utility in an SUV without compromising on quality. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.